You sit down at your desk. You open your textbook. You promise yourself you're going to study for the next 3 hours. But within 5 minutes, you're checking your phone. An hour passes, and you've done absolutely nothing. Sound familiar? You're not lazy, and you don't have a broken brain. You are just a victim of a modern psychological trap. Today, we're breaking down exactly why you can't focus and how to fix it permanently. The root of the problem isn't your lack of willpower, it's dopamine. Your brain is wired to seek instant gratification. Every time you get a notification, a like, or a text, your brain gets a quick hit of dopamine. Studying, on the other hand, is a delayed reward system. You work hard now for a grade or a career that is months or years away. Naturally, your brain perceives studying as a threat to its immediate comfort and forces you to seek distraction. To beat this system, you need to trick your brain. Here is your 5-step focus formula. First, friction rule. Make distraction.
You need to trick your brain. Here is your 5-step focus formula. Step 1, the friction rule. Make distraction hard. Put your phone in another room or inside a timed lockbox. If it takes effort to reach your phone, your brain will choose the easier path, which is looking at the book in front of you. Step 2, microburst studying, the Pomodoro technique. Do not aim for a marathon study session. Commit to just 25 minutes of hyper-focus, followed by a 5-minute guilt-free break. It lowers the mental barrier to entry. Step 3, dopamine reset. Before you study, sit in silence for 5 minutes. No music, no scrolling, no talking. Let your brain get bored. When your brain is starved of stimulation, a textbook suddenly looks interesting. Step 4, the 5-minute rule. Tell yourself, I'm only going to read one paragraph or solve one problem. Once you overcome the initial resistance and start, the momentum keeps you going. Step 5, define your vision. If you don't know why you are studying, you won't. Are you doing this to get into your dream college? To secure financial freedom? Write your why on a sticky note and place it right on your monitor. Your focus is your currency. Don't waste it giving billions of dollars of attention to tech companies while your own dreams fade away. Stop making excuses. Clear your desk, hide your phone, and start right now. If this video helped you, hit the like button, share it with a friend who needs a wake-up call, and subscribe to Social Echo Global for more psychological life hacks. Stay focused, and we'll see you in the next video.